Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So during BTS video of the drama When the Phone Rings, Heju had to pull out Sayoon's pillow which was under his head, and the moment Soobin pulled out the pillow, Yeonseok's head seemed to crack, so she couldn't hold back her laughter and starts laughing. Then Yeonseok also laughed so much after seeing Soobin. Also just look at him, how funnily he is pulling cart. Yeonseok's personality in the show is totally different in behind the scenes video. He is really funny and goofy.